Well, good morning. Carmelita and I are here in Idaho's Pioneer Mountains in Copper Basin near Lake Creek. On today's adventure, we're going to take the RZR up to Star Hope Lake and have a look. Well, we've just come around Copper Basin Loop a short ways from Lake Creek, and we're getting ready to turn on to the Star Hope, I guess you can call it a road, it's more like a trail, and head on over to Star Hope Lake. We've just got to the fork in the road. The left fork heads up to Star Hope Lake. The one to the right just goes another few miles up Star Hope Canyon. We're heading up to the lake. Well, we've made it to Star Hope Lake. What a beautiful location. We're going to put the drone up in the air and have a look at the lake and all the surrounding scenery. We fished Star Hope Lake for a little while, and we had one rise on a grasshopper, but we missed them. It was sure an enjoyable experience. We're going to head over to Muldoon Canyon and go have a look at Green Lake on the way back to camp. What do you think of Star Hope, Carmelita?
It's beautiful. I enjoy trying to learn how to fly fish.
All right. We'll come back down out of Star Hope Lake, down Star Hope Canyon, hit the Copper Basin Loop Road for just a short distance, and now we're getting ready to take the fork over to Muldoon Canyon. Head up Muldoon Canyon to Green Lake. We've driven up Muldoon Canyon Road for quite a ways. We've come to a fork and it says Green Lake Road off to the left. That's where we're heading. Well, we've driven up Muldoon Canyon and then we've taken the Green Lake Road to the end. We're at the spot where the trail goes up to the lake. I'm going to do a quick hike up there and take a look at it and get a few pictures and fly the drone. Carmelita's going to wait here with the RZR. She tweaked her ankle on one of our hikes earlier this week. We'll see you up at the lake. Thank you, baby. Well, you can see behind me, the trail is a really nice trail up to this point, and it's not very far from the bottom. So far I've been hiking about 3 minutes. The trail does look like it gets a little bit more challenging in this next section. We'll run the video as we go up through it. A little bit of fireweed. Absolutely gorgeous. Green lake. You can see why they call it Green Lake. It's definitely got a green color. Look at this beautiful circle of mountains. Impressive. Well, thanks for joining us here in Copper Basin on the adventure where we went to Star Hope Lake and then here to Green Lake. Just stunningly beautiful scenery. The hike from the RZR up to here is about 10 minutes. I wouldn't say it's easy. There's one section that's a little bit challenging, but what a good time. We're sure glad you could join us. I'm going to head back down and get the RZR and Carmelita. We're going to head back to camp, have us some lunch. Until the next time, take care. So beautiful.